Hello, this is a new video from the Dutch Online Academy. In this video, we are going to explain you the difference between GEEN and NIET. If you're serious about Dutch learning, you can visit our website, thedutchonlineacademy.com. You will find lots of grammar explanations and also exercises in both Dutch and English. Now let's get started with this lesson. If you have been studying Dutch for some time, you might have noticed that we have two ways to make a negation, by using GEEN or NIET. If you're just beginning to learn Dutch, this might seem a little bit confusing, but the difference between GEEN and NIET is not that difficult. Let's look at 4 examples to see what the difference is. Let's look at these 4 sentences. The first one. Ik heb geen sleutels. I don't have keys. Sentence 2. Ik heb de sleutels niet. I don't have the keys. Sentence 3. Ik heb jouw sleutels niet. I don't have your keys. And sentence 4. Ik ga niet. I don't go. Now, what is the difference between those 4 sentences? In the first sentence, we have a noun, and the noun is sleutels. And sleutels is in this case an indefinite noun, because we're not talking about specific keys here. We are not talking about the keys, or my keys, or your keys. It's just keys, sleutels. If you want to use a negation for an indefinite noun, you use geen. An indefinite noun doesn't have an article like de or het. Let's look at sentence 2 now. Sentence 2 is almost the same as sentence 1. There's only one small difference. We see de sleutels instead of sleutels. This means that we are not talking about an indefinite noun. We are talking about specific keys. In this case, we use NIET. Sentence 3 is almost the same as sentence 2. Here we are talking about specific keys again. Jouw sleutels. Your keys. So we use NIET again. In sentence 4, there is no noun. The negation is about an action. Ik ga niet. I don't go. So here we use NIET again. You only use geen when the negation is about an indefinite noun. And remember, an indefinite noun never has de or het or a possessive pronoun in front of it. You can find more information about GEEN and NIET on our website if you would like to see more examples. Now let's do a little exercise. Here you see a few sentences and you have to choose between GEEN or NIET. Pause the video now if you would like to make the exercise, because in a few seconds we will move on to the answers. Here they come. Now, as you can see, there are only 2 sentences with GEEN, sentence 1 and 4. These are the 2 sentences with the indefinite noun, geen huisdier and geen problemen. We are not talking about a specific pet, huisdier, and we are not talking about specific problems. This has been a new lesson from the Dutch Online Academy. If you have more questions about GEEN and NIET, then don't hesitate to ask them in the comments. We will be happy to help you out. If you have learned a lot and if you like this video, then give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day and see you next lesson.